Are you changing the spark plugs in your vehicle, but the boots of the ignition coils are staying inside because they are very stuck and you cannot pull them out? And this vehicle, these ones are coming out in pieces because they are very stuck inside. First of all, this happens for installing very cheap ignition coils. This is a very high quality ignition coil, and this will not happen with these ignition coils. This is original from Toyota, and the boot of this ignition coil will not get stuck inside with the spark plug. Here is another very cheap ignition coil that the boot of this ignition coil will stay inside the spark plug. I don't even want to insert the spark plug on this ignition coil right now because I know it will get stuck. This is the position of the boot inside the spark plug when the ignition coil is installed. So what you do is you get a flathead screwdriver, make sure the tip of the flathead is not that big, and start digging between the spark plug and the boot, separating the boot with the flathead. Once you go digging all around, you have separated the boot from the spark plug. So what I do next is I get this scissor from Harbor Freight Tools. This scissor is very skinny, which makes it very easy for me to insert it in the spark plug well to pull out the boot. Let me show you here on this spark plug well here, see how it can go inside very easy because it's very skinny. So it makes it so easy to pull out the boot once you have separated from the spark plug. But in case if you don't have one of those scissors from Harbor Freight Tools, then you can get a regular plier. Now this one is a little bit farther here, but you still will be able to get the boot out of the spark plug well. Unfortunately, I did not record when I was pulling out this boot that was really stuck, but the flathead screwdriver and the skinny scissor from Harbor Freight Tools made it so easy for me to pull it out. So I hope this trick helped you out, guys. Thanks for watching.